guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be doing an activity which is going to be how to make a house in Python turtle programming. So first of all, we're going to import the turtle library and we're going to change the background of the color screen. So s is going to be equal to turtle.screen. Then we're going to create a back then we're going to change the background color to sky blue. Now after that we're going to create our turtle. So t dot is equal to turtle dot capital T turtle and then parenthesis because it's a function. Now we're going to change the turtle color to black using fill color and change the shape of the turtle to the turtle because what if might be a circle, so yeah, that's why. Now we're gonna draw and fill the front of the house. So now we're gonna go pen up and we're gonna go to minus 150 and minus 120, means somewhere over here or here. Then we're gonna pen down and fill color is gonna be the blue. Now what we're gonna do, we are going to start beginning the fill. We're gonna move forward 150, left 90, forward 100, left 90, forward 150, and it's like 50, 100, 50, 100. Then we're gonna add fill. So what will this do? This will create a rectangle, the front of the house. Now we're gonna go ahead and fill the front door. So pen up, we're gonna go to minus 120 and minus 120, means somewhere here. Then what we're gonna do? We're gonna go ahead and fill color brown and begin fill. Then we're gonna move forward 70, left 90, forward 70, left 90, forward 70, left 90, and so on. So we have to repeat this 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So forward and left 4 times. Then we're gonna go ahead and end the fill. What will this script do? Well, this will create a front door of a rectangle that in the front of the house that we made. Now we're gonna go ahead and make the front roof. So t dot pen up, we're gonna go ahead to minus 100 and minus 20. Then we're gonna go ahead and pen down and fill color yellow. This will go ahead to somewhere over here, pen down, and we're gonna fill color yellow, and then we're gonna begin the fill. Then we're gonna move forward 100, rotate 135, means rotate left 135. We're gonna move forward 100 again and left 90, forward 100 and left 135 again. Then we're gonna go ahead and end fill, pen up, and go to the center of the screen. So let's test it out. As you can see, the sky is blue, is creating a rectangle, a house, the front door, and the roof. So I hope you guys learned something new from this video. And I'll see you next time. So take care and bye.